Okay, good day. So in this video, I'm going to show you the derivation ng ating formula in finding the derivative of a function. And that formula is dy over dx equals limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x as delta x approaches 0. Now, yung nabanggit ko sa inyo sa introduction ng calculus natin na ang derivative is a main tool in finding the steepness of the function at po. Now, paano natin malalaman ang steepness niya? Kasi isang point lang ang tinutukoy. Wherein ang kailangan natin para makuha ang steepness ng curve o ng line, ang available formula lang natin ay slope of a line which is delta y over delta x. Na kung saan yung delta y is the difference in the two values of y which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Yung delta x is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, ang ginawa natin dun sa ating first video is ina-approximate natin yung steepness ng ating function by getting a point closer to another point P, which is yun yung kinakailangan nating steepness at this point. So, sa case na to, ang other point natin is point Q. So, kunin natin yung slope nun. Kuha tayo ng slope closer to P, closer to P, closer to P, closer to P, hanggang sa makuha natin yung best approximation ng slope o steepness of the curve at point P. Ngayon, based from the formula of the slope, kunin muna natin yung slope of the second line. That is the point connecting point P and point Q. Okay? Ano ba yung coordinates ni point P? Coordinates ni point P, x, y. Okay? Horizontal distance, vertical distance. So this is x, y. But y is also the same as f of x. No? That is y in terms of x. Okay? So I can replace y by f of x. Okay? Ano naman ang coordinates ni point Q? Ang point Q natin will be x plus delta x, yun yung kanyang horizontal distance. Okay? X plus delta x, and then vertical distance niya, y plus delta y. Okay, so point Q is horizontal distance is x plus delta x. Ang vertical distance niya, y plus delta y. Okay. Pwede ko bang sabihin na yung y natin in terms of x dito? Pwede. If from here, if we have point P is x, y can be represented as x, f of x. Yung ating point Q, pwede nating sabihin, yan ay x plus delta x, y plus delta y. So, i-replace natin to in terms of x to. Pwede nating i-represent as the x value, which is x plus delta x, f of x plus delta x. Yan. Okay. So, pwede na yan. Now, using the formula of slope, we can determine the slope of the second line. Okay? That is the second line natin. That is connecting the points P and Q. Yun yung slope natin. No? Rise over run. Okay? Ito yung slope na si rise over run. So, ang rise natin is delta y. Ang run natin ay delta x. Ano nga ba yun? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Yun ang ating delta y. So, ang ating y sub 2 ay ito. Ito yung ating y sub 1. Ito yung x sub 2 natin. Ito yung x sub 1 natin. So, that will be y sub 2. Y sub 2 is f of x plus delta x minus ang ating y sub 1 is f of x all over x sub 2, x plus delta x minus x. Okay. So, mamaminus yung x dito. Ang matitira na lang ay delta x sa ilalim. Yan. Malapit na doon, di ba? Now, yun ay slope of the second line. Paano natin makukuha yung slope of the tangent line? This video na present ko sa inyo before, ang gagawin lang, simple lang. Ito yung slope ng second line. To better approximate is to assign another point on the curve which is closer to point P. So, ang gagawin, point P para makuha natin yung slope ng point P hanggang sa doon na. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan gamitin natin yung concept of limit. Okay? Para makuha natin yung exact slope of the tangent line at point P. Paano yun? So, kung papalapit ng papalapit si delta x sa 0, ibig sabihin, mawawala na to. Pag nawawala na to, papuntang 0 na siya, sabihin yung ating point is referring to point P. We're referring to the limit. And that limit is the derivative of the function. Okay? The limit of this function as delta x approaches to 0 is the first derivative of the function. Para makuha natin yung slope ng tangent line. So therefore, using the concept of limit, we can say that dy over dx is the limit of this function. Minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches 0. Kasi ang tinutukoy natin, ito si delta x papunta sa 0. So, ibig sabihin, tinutukoy na natin itong point na to. Yun yung line na tinutukoy mo. At yun na yung slope of the tangent line. At yun na rin yung tinatawag natin derivative of the function. So, therefore, yun yung simple derivation of the formula in finding the derivative of the function using the concept of limit. So, thank you.